If you're a gardener, there's never a bad time of the year. There's always something exciting going on. For me, however, I love spring because it's that time of the year where all of your hard work last year is just now emerging and you get just such an incredible display of flowers. So as we're looking at this design here, there's so many of these plants that are doing amazing. And I want to just touch on a few that are really the backbone of this garden. We started with the woody ornamentals first in this design. We wanted to lay down a foundation that we could then sprinkle in many other plants around. So some of my favorites in this design, Spirea double play doozy. What an amazing shrub. So we use that to line the main entryway to the house. This is a plant with beautiful chartreuse foliage and just a deep, rich pink, almost rose type color to its florets. It's really nice. Also, I love roses. I think that every great garden must have some roses, even if you just are able to splash in a few. They're the queens of the garden. I went with a couple of the Oh So Easy roses. Hot Paprika is a new favorite of mine. What a fantastic plant. Also, Purple Prince, I think, is an incredible rose, so we use that to line the foundation here. It's got tremendous flower power. I think is a rose that every gardener should consider. The Hydrangea Little Lime Punch, it's a classic, comes from incredible genetics. And so we use that to kind of establish the edge of the garden that runs along the drive. This is a wonderful compact plant, incredible blooms. It comes out with white, then extends into deep, like rose-like pink color, and then finishes with beautiful dried flower heads that I leave on well into fall. Also, another great native plant, Itea Scentlandia. And so we use that to kind of fill in around the existing Japanese maple. Its aromatics are incredible. In bloom, it's fantastic. And like I said, I love to use native plants when we can. They're already so well adapted to growing in our environments. Another great woody ornamental for any garden is the Encore Azalea. Here we've used two groupings that really anchor their corners of the garden and will provide us with multiple seasons of blooms. Along the side garden, we planted Abelia Miss Lemon to add a welcome pop of bright yellow variegated foliage. She's also stunning in bloom. Weigela Wine Rose is a longtime favorite of mine and was just perfect as a border to the vegetable garden. Last but not least, we need an anchor plant for the center of the garden that could really shine. Buddleia Blue Chip Jr. was just the perfect choice. Its foliage is soft yet striking, and it is unbeatable in bloom.